Are you tired of dull, dry, or uneven skin tone? I used to struggle with the same problem until I discovered something that changed everything. This is EELHOE Brightening and Whitening Cream, and it's been a total game changer in my skincare routine. It hydrates, brightens, and smooths your skin naturally. I apply it twice a day, morning and night. Just a small amount on clean skin, and that's it. It's non-greasy, quickly absorbed, and makes my skin feel fresh and alive. The secret? It's packed with deep moisturizing and whitening ingredients that nourish your skin from within. You'll notice results in just a few days: brighter skin, reduced dark spots, and a glowing texture. I couldn't believe the difference in just 7 days. My skin looked so much more radiant and youthful without makeup. And yes, it's safe for all skin types. No harsh chemicals, no side effects, just clean, healthy skin. So if you're ready to love your skin again, don't wait. Tap the link below and try EELHOE Whitening Cream today. Your skin will thank you. Website, glowzaglobal.wordpress.com. Product link, https://washington.me/92307765197 Real results, real glow, real confidence. Get yours now and feel the magic of EELHOE.